The course is Introduction to Philosophy, so it's Phil 110, honors this time. The objectives of the course, I mean, there's two main objectives. The first one is to get students some exposure to the major Western philosophic traditions, the main thinkers, the core problems that have animated the tradition. And the second one is to basically give students the capabilities and the conceptual repertoire to cleanly formulate their own views, to evaluate the views of others, how to engage in debate in a respectful but also skeptical manner. So we cover a host of topics in the class, but all of them are only about a step or two away from basic meaning of life type questions that most people are going to have thought of before. So one of them is whether or not God exists, whether or not you should believe in God, something most people have considered before they come to a philosophy class. And another big one is the nature of right and wrong, whether or not morality is objective or culturally relative or relative to each individual person, and how you can go about figuring out what the right thing or the wrong thing to do is in any situation. So what excites me is people sort of are plugged into the questions I get to teach already, and I get to use that as a kind of currency or a bridge to help them learn how to refine their own thinking, so they can think systematically about what they believe. Maybe they can develop a little skepticism about it. Maybe they'll come out of it with their beliefs on a firmer foundation, and maybe they'll change their minds about some things.